Greetings, my name is Qiniso Cibane, all the way from KZN, Etegwini region, currently serving as the MK Youth League National Convener, former MK Youth League Regional Convener in Etegwini region, a volunteer of the MK Party. Qiniso Cibane is an activist, a businessman, a youth businessman, all the way from KZN, who grew up passionate about business, passionate about social change. Where I'm coming from, growing up in school, seeing how our education, seeing how our people were living, and from there, gained interest following my father when I was attending ANC meetings that were caught up into politics. And then I started studying about politics, studying about Oliver Tambo, Nelson Mandela, the formation of the ANC Youth League, the formation of the MK Party, MK military wing, not party. I'm passionate about social change. Two, the role I'm given is to make sure that the young people in this country rally behind the MK Party and make sure that we have a vibrant youth of the MK Party, a youth that is different from other youth organizations. By doing that, we must make sure that we don't have a youth that is busy with a rhetoric, a youth that speaks change, advocates for change from time to time, and making sure that the MK Youth League is visible. First of all, you will remember when President Zuma was still the president of the country, he made a lot of changes in terms of social change for African people at large, even though it was contained by the policies of the ANC, whereas there were no land policies, the Reserve Bank, there were no policies about it. But right now we have MK Party, which is openly speaking about expropriation of land without compensation, which means we must own the land. The MK Party speaks of that the Reserve Bank must be owned by the state. So the reason why they should join MK Party is because MK Party is a movement of activists. It's a movement that will bring change in their livelihoods. So we have a reference by our Supreme Leader President Zuma when he was the president, where he did show with the little powers he had, the way it changes. We saw African people, businesses growing, whereas right now they are shutting down. We saw many infrastructure development in informal settlement. We saw houses, roads. So we have reference to show that right now, young people must join MK Party, and even introduce free education.